is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Major windstorm is headed towards Toronto, Ontario, surrounding areas on Wednesday, October the 25th, 2017. It's going to bring very strong winds, 40 plus kilometers per hour, gusting up to over 70, 80 kilometers per hour. In Greater Toronto area, the surrounding areas, there'll be big waves crashing on beaches and shores in Toronto, Ontario, and the surrounding areas, including Hamilton, Ontario, St. Cathernies, Ontario, and Niagara Falls, Ontario as well. It's going to bring very strong winds with some showers. It's going to bring a lot of showers in Greater Toronto area, the surrounding areas as well. People in Toronto, Ontario, be prepared. Make sure to be careful when it's very windy outside. Make sure to stay away from the beaches and don't go near the shores in Greater Toronto area. And including Niagara Falls, Hamilton, St. Cathernies, Ontario. It's going to bring really strong winds in Greater Toronto, Ontario, and the surrounding areas as well. If anybody lives in Toronto, Ontario, be prepared for major windstorm on Wednesday, October 25th, 2017. Take care and stay safe. Don't get caught in major windstorm. Stay safe and be safe.